Creative Stuff Media presents Tom Talk on Mic Season 1.
तो आज हम लोग एनेस्थीसिया के बारे में जानने वाले हैं और उसी के लिए हमारे साथ है एनेस्थीसियोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर दीपाली राउत। तो स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस पॉडकास्ट शो पर जिसका नाम है टॉम यानी टॉक ऑन माइक। फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या था आपको अगर याद होगा तो?
As an anesthetist.
हाँ।
See, basically, when we are doing our PG, we go through a lot of cases, then we do with our seniors and everything. So that is a very support. But then when I did my first individual case, it's almost after third post we do. That's almost 1.5 year later we start doing our cases. In that I remember one case specifically because that was awake brain surgery. And that was almost in the night, around 9 o'clock we started that. And I had to keep the patient awake for that procedure. And at the same time, the patient has to be under, the patient should not get pain. So that was a very nice case. And that was I always remember that case. But that was not my first case.
अच्छा।
In between whatever, which I can remember specifically.
ये जो एनेस्थीसिया देते हैं लोगों को, तो वो पेशेंट के एज या उसकी बीमारी या उसका जो ऑपरेशन रहता है उस हिसाब से देते हैं या कैसे रहता है?
Actually, it depends on all the factors. It's not just like age or just your procedure, what is there, or what other, as a person. It is combination of things. And we decide on table, we just plan out the things in our mind. Okay, yeah, this patient had such things, the age is like this, and the procedure time is going to be like this. So accordingly, we decide what anesthesia is to be given to the patient.
अच्छा, तो जो एनेस्थीसिया देते तो उसके क्या टाइप, मतलब एक तो इंजेक्शन से देते हैं और दूसरे कोई चीज है जिससे एनेस्थीसिया दिया जाता है?
No, basically anesthesia is given through injection most. It is
common
it's
है
like you cannot say injection per se. That thing is people have that thing in the mind, injection. No, it's not like that. See, whatever you have to take an IV line for a patient. IV line is that आप जो saline लेते हो, right? So any operation, any procedure, you need to have that thing, IV line.
अच्छा।
Okay, जो intravenous line रहता है वो. So उससे we give the things, or we have to make a combination of stuff. It's not just there are different types of anesthesia actually. Recently for short procedures, some people do use mask and inhalational agents to finish the procedure, but you need to secure the IV line for any procedure.
तो जो एनेस्थीसिया देते तो उसका कुछ अमाउंट होता है कि इतना ही देना है या यूनिवर्सल है, सबको उतना ही देना?
It is not universal. We decide some procedures are for just half an hour. Some procedures take around 6 hours. So there are the dosing things are there. For this procedure, we might need this much dose. Long procedure के लिए we need to continue the thing. So we have to give accordingly. It's not like इतना ही है उतना ही है. Again, अभी आपने डोज की बात की, हर एक पेशेंट के वेट के हिसाब से, एज के हिसाब से डोसिंग रहता है. सो हर एक पेशेंट को अलग अलग रहता है. इट्स नॉट यूनिवर्सल फॉर एनी पेशेंट एज सच, बिकॉज सी नाउ यू आर सच अ थिन पर्सन. So for you, it's going to be different. Some person is going to be obese. For him, the dose requirement is different. Apart from that, now the new generation, they're so used to drugs and everything. They need very high doses.
अच्छा।
Yeah, we experience. Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
तो ये एनेस्थीसिया आपने दिया तो आपका काम हो गया, तो आप ऑपरेशन एंड होने तक वहाँ पे अवेलेबल होते हो या?
Yes, we have to wait.
अच्छा।
Because basic patient का सारा parameters is in an anesthetist's hand. The BP, the pulse, the respiration, so many things are managed by the anesthetist.
अच्छा, तो उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स आफ्टर ऑपरेशन वो होते हैं कि
किसको?
जो पेशेंट है?
No, not at all.
नहीं,
not at all.
तो इसके कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं?
Nothing.
अच्छा,
nothing.
तो पर्टिकुलर इसकी एक दवाई आती है या बहुत से ब्रांड्स है वो पर्टिकुलर दवाई के एनेस्थीसिया जो बॉटल?
There are a lot of things. We use a combination.
अच्छा,
not just one thing. Because you cannot give one thing in loads. It's just management of everything. Basically, the pain should go. The patient should have amnesia. The patient should not remember what has been done.